Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video, guys. It's Sunday. I don't know what's happening, guys, but Nats and the kids, well, Nats and Malika is sick. Like the flu, the cold, fever, the whole works, and there's a medicine shortage right now in Canada. So Tylenol and stuff like that is so hard to get it over the counter. So we basically have to just roll on by anything we can get. So, you know, about to go on the road right now, me and Malia. Gonna go to No Frills, just grab a few stuff to make dinner. And, you know, a few little knickknacks here and there. And see if I can get some more meds. See if I can get some more meds for them. Yeah, so I'm just taking you guys with me on the road right now. Don't forget to smash that like button if you haven't done so already. Subscribe to the channel, guys. See if we can reach 4,000 subscribers before the end of the day today. We only need, I think, 30 more to reach 4,000. And then we need another 1,000 to reach 5,000, which is the goal for the rest of the year. So help us out by sharing the content, by liking the content, by commenting on the content, and most definitely subscribing to the channel. It's a little bit cooler today. No sun is out, but typical winter morning. Nothing we're not used to. So come along, guys. We're just gonna go to No Frills, grab a few little stuff, and then probably check out the pharmacy and see what them have. First and foremost, this is not a No Frills sponsored video. Not that we are not that we are affiliates of No Frills or anything like that. But I must big up No Frills, guys, because if it is that you're new to Canada and you're not sure of like the grocery stores, the best one, the more cost affordable one, bearing in mind that all provinces might have different pricing mechanism. And also might have different stores as well, so you have to take that into consideration. But from what I have noticed since I've been here, No Frills is definitely one of the most cost-effective stores to shop in. Now, you have to be like strategic. Now, if it is that you're doing that big grocery shopping, like for example, if you just want to get most of your grocery for the month, or you want it to spill over into the other month and you want to buy in bulk, Costco is definitely a place to go, right? Because Costco, you'll get deals. You'll get a lot of deals in bulk. So that's probably the better option, right? Now, it's going to cost you a little bit more at Costco, obviously, but you're going to be getting more. So it's not like you can spend the same amount of money that you can spend in No Frills at Costco and get the same things, because most things in Costco is sold in bulk. So that's for that kind of grocery shopping. Now, if you just want to do a little light grocery shopping where you just want to go through week by week or even say 2 weeks, and you're looking to spend like say something over $100 or say $200, and you want to do that like every 2 weeks or whatever, and you just want to get something that is specific for your household, No Frills is one of the better places I've observed, because it's not necessarily in bulk, but you can definitely get cost affordable stuff in No Frills that can bring you through for like 2 weeks at a very, very reasonable cost. So if you have a No Frills in your area, check it out. I know that like you have other stores like Superstore and Walmart, but personally speaking, I don't think those stores, especially Walmart, is specifically made for grocery shopping. I think Walmart is more like for like your other stuff, your household toiletries, your furniture, your different stuff like that. But for the average grocery shopping, I found that it's more expensive in Walmart. But you can comment, guys, if you are watching this and you're somewhere else in Canada. You can definitely comment and let us compare the cost and see if Walmart is the same. Like, Superstore is kind of affordable as well, I'm not gonna lie. But the thing is, I find that, personally speaking, for myself, I can find more relatable groceries in No Frills, right? Superstore, it's good. You can get quite a few stuff in Superstore as well. But like your Grace cat noodle soup, or your Grace browning, and your corned beef and your stuff like that, can't really find that in a Superstore. I don't know if which part I am at, but comment and let me know. Alright, guys, but anyways, going into No Frills, just picking up a few. Alright, let's get you into one of these carts. Say hi. Say hi, Malia. Say hi, my people. Just looking around. Malia and I, we're the only L2 is in the house right now. So we have to stick together, right? We have to stick together. I need one of this guy. Need one of them ice mounted there. $4. Okay, Malia. What are we gonna start with, Malia J? We are gonna start with some seasoning and vegetable. What do you say? Seasoning and vegetable, Malia? Okay, let's do it. Take up some time. What do you think, Malia? Do you want lettuce? Let's get some lettuce. I don't like this lettuce, you know, Malia, but it seems like it's the only one they got. $4.49. Then we're gonna go and get some green peppers. I think we should get like 2, right? Yeah, I think we should get 2, Malia. Green pepper. Now, I don't know. Should I get the one in the bag, Malia? Or should I get the other one? $3.49, $3.99. Cabbage, Malia, cabbage. $7.99 per pound. I don't like that one, Malia. What do you guys think? Like, these cabbage are so huge, man, and it doesn't taste the same to me. Like, cabbage here tastes a little bit different than cabbage in Jamaica, but some person said it tastes the same to them. I don't know, probably something is up with my taste buds. You want grape? I'm gonna get grape for you. Butter grape, $3.99 per pound. We'll get this one, Malia. Avocado. TJ too. Oh, or we can get plantain as well. $8. Nope, do not put it in your mouth, Malia J. Do not put it in your mouth. $89 per pound. These plantains are so tiny, man. So tiny. This one is not even fully ripe. No frills. Don't start talking yourself to them, man. Oh my god. Take these two. And of course, I have to get ripe banana for baby. 77. Oh, don't put it in your mouth. These bananas, I don't like how they look. Okay. Just get it right there. We have garlic already. Ginger. The potato, right? I don't remember. Definitely gonna get bread. We only eat whole wheat bread, guys. I don't even remember what white bread tastes like. And that's like this raisin cinnamon bread thingy. Yeah. Is this it? No, that's not it. Oh. This one right here. $3.89. This bread, I don't know why not like this so much. I'll take it out. We have a trailer load of franks in our fridge, Malia. We need to eat it up. There's no chicken. Where's all the chicken? Shelves are empty. What's going on? What's going on, Malia? Anyways, I'm gonna have to take this one. Whole chicken for $13. I don't know where all the other chickens are at. Gone. Gone. Chicken, I don't know where the chickens are at, Malia. You want macaroni and cheese? Guys, I don't know what's going on, but everything kind of dry up. What's up? Empty. Mama's home. We need laundry soap. Okay, get this Tide Pod. As I said, there's nothing great today, and I was just picking up a few stuff. Which I look too much, I don't actually need, but definitely also need laundry soap. We also need butter and yogurts. Good thing I remembered, Malia. Butter, $8.99. Also need egg. $5.09. for a dozen. You know what else we need? We need oil, but we're not gonna run there and get it. We need milk. Malia, we need milk. $5.99. Best before December 2nd. Malia, I got you on Malika juice. Fruit punch. You got what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. $3.19. I'll just take up 2 because I'm not coming back for juice. And I'll take up our usual cranberry juice. This is the only juice to drink, by the way, guys. $4.29. If it's not cranberry, it has to be homemade. Don't drink soda. Well, I'm not gonna say we don't drink soda because we do, like once in a while when we like probably like taking out like fast food, which is like once in a while still. But to say we don't eat it is a stretch, but we try not to drink it as much as possible. Where's the spinach one, Malia? They don't have any spinach one. Which one of these tartare are we gonna take? Let's take roasted garlic. And it's for $4.49. And this is the only dip that they got, so I guess I have to take it. Yeah. And then we need oil. I think that's it. That's it, Malia. We got cereal, we got tea stuff. We got pretty much, if not everything, most of what we needed. We need oil. Vegetable oil. $5.49. Okay guys, so that cost me $128, which is not that bad. Got quite a few stuff. 128. If I added on like $50 onto that, I could have gotten like grocery for the like probably a week and a half. On my way to a pharmacy now, trying to see if I can get some meds for nuts. Right? I got some meds for her last night, but those are the nighttime one. I'm gonna try and see if I can get one for the daytime. Forward. We're going to Shoppers Drug Mart, by the way. Shelves. All of them shelves are empty. Just show you guys what I'm buying right now. Yeah, empty shelves. All of them empty. Empty shelves. Yeah, so I ended up taking this one, guys, because this is the best one from what I'm seeing in the shelves right here. Empty everything, guys. Now, I don't even know if this is any good, but I have to take it. In case you guys are wondering, the Tylenol costs $13, and there's like 20 capsules inside of it, so meds are getting expensive as well. I remember when the same box of Tylenol was for like probably $8. No, cost $13. Cost of living rough. Anyways, I just hope this meds work because there's nothing else. And not really sick out. Malika sick out as well. Me and Malia wallet. enough respect to all the persons who are still here watching this vlog. Really appreciate you guys. If you haven't already, guys, it takes a second. I'll give you guys a second right now, actually, just to go ahead and hit that like button. I'll give you guys another second to go ahead and drop a comment. It doesn't matter, good, bad, it doesn't matter. Drop a comment, let us know what you think about our videos, let us know what you think about this video, let us know about what type of video you'd like us to do that you think you'd find more entertaining. And also I'll give you guys 2 more seconds. One of those seconds is to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, and the other second is to hit the share button. Right, share your favorite video from DiAndersons on, you know, whatever platform, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. It doesn't matter, just give us some support, give us some strength, and help grow the community. You know, the goal is to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of the year, but of course, guys, we can't do it without your help. So if you haven't subscribed already, just subscribe. It literally only takes a second, and share so other persons can see the content and hopefully find it interesting as well, right? It's love, and it's love alone, you know. So if you guys are watching from anywhere around the world, just stay safe, stay warm. A lot of places in Canada are now starting to feel the remnants of winter. I remember I was talking to a few friends in Ontario like 2 weeks ago, and they were laughing at me, and they were like, yo, now get snow already and this and that, and oh, it's plus 15. Christina, big up yourself. Christina, but from Astol by Canadian immigrants, making all her videos about how nice and warm everything is in that part of Canada. But welcome to the club. Welcome to the club, guys. Just a reminder that you guys live in Canada also, right? But nonetheless, stay warm, guys. Winter is a tough season, you know. I'm not gonna lie. Mentally, winter is very tough. It puts most people in a very down and depressing mood. But just try and fight it, you know. Just take your vitamins. Go outside still. I know it's cold, I know it's rough, but anytime you get a little opportunity to go for a walk when it gets warm, like probably -5 or -10, I don't know, depending on where you're living, still go and try and go out for some walks and just go to different places. Still don't just lock up inside, because that will put you in, guys, in a depressing mode. Cabin fever is real, you know, guys. Cabin fever is a real thing. So a lot of persons get white lights, and then just sit underneath the white lights just to kind of get like some vitamin. What sun get again? Vitamin D or vitamin K? I don't remember. But whatever sun give you, that white light give you the same thing, so you can get some energy, and you know, it kind of lift you up a little bit. In the winter time, we don't get much sunshine, so do whatever you have to do for just make yourself better, make you and your family more comfortable, and just do the right thing, you understand? For new immigrants who are going through your first winter, welcome to the club. Welcome to Canada officially. Don't be scared, don't be intimidated. There's no such thing as bad weather, there's only bad clothes. So take your time, get things together. It might be rough at first, but I promise you it will get easier. It definitely will get easier. If you're in a province like Alberta that gets cold, really, really cold, like -40, -45, try for dress in layers. If it is that you don't have like a very good winter jacket, because I know a good winter jacket is expensive, try to dress in layers. Put on multiple shirts if you have to, multiple pants if you have to. Dressed in layers, just to keep yourself warm. If I even 3 socks, whatever it is, I find that usually offset the fact that you don't have good winter jackets and stuff. I did a video where I explained to you guys about like the stuff that you need, essentials for winter. Go and check out that video if you haven't done so already. But nonetheless, try to enjoy it. Canada has 4 seasons, as you guys know, and each season comes with its own beauty. Each season comes with its own challenges, but each season comes with its own fun and joy and adventure. So look at it from that positive perspective and don't shun it, but embrace it. Like for me, before coming to Canada, I've never seen snow. No, I can't say I love snow, but at least I get to experience it. It's the same thing for you guys as well. Many of you guys might never experience snow before in your entire life, but now is an opportunity to embrace it and to explore it and to, you know, conquer it. Is what it is. And just know that winter is not forever. It's gonna be spring again, it's gonna be summer again, gonna be fall, and then all the seasons that we love and adventure and different things, right? Nonetheless, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I hope you guys are looking forward to having a fantastic week. Things might not be perfect, things might never ever be perfect for a lot of us, but let's be grateful for what we have. There's always something to be thankful for, there's always something to be grateful for. So whatever that is in your own personal circumstances, just take that, look on that, embrace that, and let that work for you. All right, guys, until next time, guys, big up on yourself and take care of yourself, and see you guys in the next video. All right, peace out.